Hello everybody, it's been a while since I've done any sort of video really, but I'm a little bit excited today. My latest project's arrived, even though I've not finished the Mini. Sold the Magnette, although it's still in the garage at the minute, but it's being collected this Thursday, hopefully. So we'll do a quick walk around video of the project and see what you think. So this is it. 1978 Chrysler Avenger, bit of a rare motor these days. Generally it's in quite good condition. Wings are all good. Door bottoms and sills, oh there's a little bit I think at the offside sill. Wheel arches are good. There's a little bit scabby down here, so we'll have to fetch that off and see what that comes up, but I don't think it's actually rotten. It's a GLS, so it's got the vinyl roof which will need replacing here, so I've got to get that off. I've got a new roof, I've got a roof already, a vinyl roof for it, so get the old one cleaned off, and then hopefully a mate of mine, he used to fit vinyl roofs back in the day, he said he would have a go at it. This is the interior. It's a bit garish. Wants a really good clean. Roof lining's all good. It's even got the original radio, and I've got a bonus there. Look, I've got 2 free mugs. But I say it wants a good clean. But all the doors are good. Yeah, bottom of the doors are not rotten. Door shuts are good. Say, few cobwebs. It's got rear seat belts, which is a bonus. That'll please the grandkids. This is the later Avenger with the different tail lights. I'm not sure whether they're the best. I've had 4 previous Avengers. Overall, they were a good car. I'd say the vinyl roof definitely wants removing and replacing. We'll see. Again, wheel arches are all good. A little bit of corrosion here, but get that cleaned off. There's a little bit at the back of that sill that's bubbling, so I'll get that cleaned off and see, but I don't think it's rotten. Squeaky door. Say, all the door shuts are all good. Doors are all good. It definitely needs a good clean. I know these seats are not to everybody's taste, but there you go. It's got the later Talbot, Chrysler Talbot dash, and it's done, whether you can see that, 57,000 miles. Dash top's good, not cracked, which is a good thing. Wings are good. Good at the front. Back. Bit of a bubbling there, so we'll have to be a bit careful growing that off. Wheel arches are good. Scuttle's good. So it has a different front end treatment. So I'm pleased with it so far. So let's have a look under the bonnet. Right, this is the engine bay. It needs a thorough clean. Basically filthy. Inner wings are good. Slam panels good. I'd say it does run. We'll have it started in a sec. Want a new breather pipe. But yeah. So I'll have to get the brakes sorted. Obviously it'll want tyres. So let's see if it'll start. There you go, first turn. Wants a good tune. So plugs. I think this got electronic ignition. Plugs, leads maybe. Might treat to a coil, oil filter. Might change the hoses, fan belt, air filter. But, it runs quite well. Soundproofing under the bonnet's a bit tatty. But yeah, not bad. Right, we'll have a look in the boot. Got a set of mats, got a hose here, what has some description. That all wants cleaning up. Wheel arches look quite reasonable. This back lip, obviously, it's got wet, so I'll have to clean all that off. It's damp sometimes, yeah. Well, the boot carpet's obviously, yeah, that's no good. Spare wheels there, all good in there again. Wheel arches are all good. Boot lips muddy. Yeah, I just want a little bit of tidying up, but yeah, overall she's not a bad car. Sandra says I can't modify it. I can't fit alloy wheels on, so it's got these wheel trims. Obviously it'll need new tyres, brakes, maybe brake pipes. Get the wheels refurbished and get some new tyres on it. Should be good to go. So, really pleased with it. Hope you appreciate it. I'll keep updating with the progress, but I don't think it'll be going to the Boston Club show in 2 weeks, but we'll see.